In this lecture, I want to show you an example of UiPath automation that you can implement in real life. It is a rather basic project, but it clearly shows the possibilities of this software. So let's say you work in a company named Mechanics on Duty that provides car services, repairs, and details replacement. After each visit of the client, an invoice is created. This invoice needs to be sent to the client. The email address is indicated in the invoice. This should be a personalized mail with a greeting, summary of provided services, total price, and the invoice attached. Previously, it was done manually. You need to create an UiPath program to automate this task. Let's take a look at the examples of the invoices. For demonstration purposes, there are just 5 of them. In reality, it could be hundreds of invoices. Let's open one of the invoices for example. Each document contains information about its number, date of issue, client's contact data, list of provided services, price and amount, total price, terms of payment, and information about discount. Let me show you how this information looks like in UiPath. Robot opens the files one by one from instructed folder. Then, from each it instructs indicated data fields. Then, Robot determines values like invoice number, total amount, visit date, and so on. After that, it sends a mail from your Gmail account with personalized mail text. Let's run the robot to see it in action. One by one, it opened each of the invoices. Robot reads different elements on this PDF invoice and sends mail in the background. It took Robot 35 seconds for 5 invoices. For testing purposes, they are sent back to my account, but in real life they will be sent to the client. You can now see 5 new mails in my mailbox. Let's take a look at them. Each mail has the invoice attached to it. Each mail has a rich text, looks nice and clean, contains some summary information about client's visit. Open the attached invoice and see that it contains the same information as in the mail. It means that robot works correctly. You can check other mails as well. All of them contain correct information. Email starts with a greeting, thanks for the visit to a shop. It informs about invoice number, the date of the visit, and total amount. Such automation is very powerful and time-saving. UiPath is able to recognize text from scans of PDF files and documents with complex structure. Such automation is very popular for all companies, starting from small businesses to big corporations. However, UiPath is able to perform much more advanced tasks with complicated logic. That is why it is currently in high demand. In the next lecture, you will learn about ways to learn UiPath and become a real pro.